Okay guys, we decided not to put a tent on top of the structure today because it's going to be windy tonight, up to 60. So we don't want this tent to be flying. That's why we decided to move on, and we're going to decorate a Christmas tree and then put up a Christmas lights. So today is the day.
To mislead, this is all you need. Be your everything, and I'll be your everything.
And just for
Thanks for hot chocolate.
No problem. Anytime.
Thank you. More lights for Christmas tree. This is for Christmas tree. Those are for the building.
Yeah, maybe just keep. We could use this out back or something. It'd be nice if you could have it in the tent. Lunchtime.
Wow! Wow!
Looks yummy.
It looks yummy.
Thank you. Goodness gracious, thank you.
Thank you. Hi folks, December 4, 2020. If you ever come to Nova Scotia, make sure you visit this place. The food here is yummy, very delicious. It makes your mouth come alive. You will never regret it you came here, okay? So, and the beer here is only in Nova Scotia. and a beer too. Only in Nova Scotia.